Imagine building a simple software product, launching it quietly, and 30 days later, it's made over $50,000 in revenue. No investors, no big team, no coding background. Just one founder, one idea, and one micro SaaS. Sounds unreal? Well, this is not a dream. It's exactly what happened when one solo founder decided to test a new idea and ended up creating one of the fastest growing micro SaaS success stories of the year. In this video, we're going deep, how the idea was born, how it was built using AI and no-code tools, how the first customers came in, and what marketing tricks helped this product explode. So grab your notes, because by the end, you'll know how to build, launch, and scale your own micro SaaS from scratch. The spark of the idea, our founder, let's call him Jake, wasn't a developer. He was a content creator running a small YouTube channel and a newsletter. Every week, he'd spend hours replying to audience emails, tracking content ideas, and managing sponsorship requests. Then one day, while looking at his inbox, he noticed a pattern. Creators, marketers, and small business owners all struggled with one simple thing: organizing incoming requests. Whether it was client leads, sponsorship offers, or collaboration pitches, it was chaos. Jake thought, what if there was a simple tool, a lightweight app, that automatically sorts, prioritizes, and replies to incoming business requests using AI? That one thought became the foundation for his micro SaaS inbox pilot. The building phase now, Jake didn't know how to code, but he wasn't going to let that stop him. Using Bubble for the web app and OpenAI's GPT API, he created a basic version. The app would connect to Gmail or Outlook, scan messages for intent, sales, collab, support, etc. Auto-generate smart responses, highlight urgent requests. He spent 10 days building the MVP. No fancy UI, no logos, just clean functionality. Then, using ChatGPT and Canva, he built a quick landing page. Headline: your inbox but smarter. Let AI handle the replies. He shared it with 10 friends, creators, marketers, freelancers. Within a week, 6 of them asked, "Can I use this?" That was validation. Launching without a following. Here's the crazy part. Jake didn't have a massive audience. He had fewer than 1,000 followers on Twitter, but he did something clever. He posted a build in public thread, building an AI inbox manager that replies to your clients while you sleep. Day 1, prototype ready. The tweet got 40 likes, but it started a chain reaction. Other creators retweeted it, and a few newsletters picked it up. The landing page got over 2,000 visits in 48 hours. Jake added a simple waitlist form using Tally.so. By day 5, he had 420 signups, all organic. He decided to launch officially in 10 days. The pricing trick Jake knew pricing could make or break early traction. Instead of freemium, he went straight for paid plans, $9 a month and $29 a month. But he offered a 50% lifetime discount for early adopters who joined within the first week. He also added a limited time badge, early founder access, only 100 spots. Scarcity worked like magic. The first 50 customers joined within 24 hours. In the first week, he made $3,200 in recurring revenue, enough to prove this wasn't a fluke. The 30-day explosion, then came the viral moment. A YouTuber with 300K subscribers saw Jake's tweet and made a short video titled, "AI replies to your emails while you sleep." Meet Inbox Pilot. That 2-minute clip brought 12,000 new visitors and 500 plus paid signups in a week. By the end of 30 days, Jake's micro SaaS had made $50,000 in total revenue, $18,000 in monthly recurring revenue, MRR, and $32,000 in annual prepaid subscriptions. What made it work? Laser-focused niche. Instead of targeting everyone, Jake focused only on creators and freelancers. This made his messaging crystal clear. Fast execution. He didn't overthink features, just launched fast and improved later. Built in public momentum, sharing progress created hype, and people felt invested in the journey. AI integration. Instead of building everything from scratch, he used OpenAI Apis to add intelligence instantly. Irresistible offer. The early access deal added urgency and exclusivity. The growth phase, with the first $50,000 milestone behind him, Jake decided to reinvest into marketing and automation. He used Zapier to connect new signups to onboarding emails. He hired a part-time designer on Fiverr to improve the UI. Then, he launched a small affiliate program, giving creators 30% recurring commission for referrals. Within 2 months, 40 affiliates joined, promoting the tool in their content. This created a self-sustaining marketing flywheel. Lessons for you. So, what can you learn from Jake's story? Start small, launch fast. Don't wait for perfection. Ship something usable. Validate before you build. Share mockups, tweets, or demos. Test interest early. Niche wins. Talk directly to a specific group instead of everyone. Leverage AI plus no code. Tools like Bubble, Glide, and ChatGPT let you move 10x faster. Offer urgency. Early access or discounts trigger buying action. Reinvest, don't spend. Every dollar Jake made went back into growth tools, not luxuries. The bigger picture. The reason stories like this are becoming common is simple. The SaaS world is changing. You no longer need a huge team, funding, or coding background. AI plus no code has made it possible for solo founders to build profitable tools in weeks. And platforms like Twitter, Product Hunt, Indie Hackers, and Reddit have made it easier than ever to reach your target audience organically. We're re-entering a new era, the micro SaaS revolution, where small tools can earn big money. The takeaway, if you've been thinking about building a SaaS, stop waiting. Your idea doesn't need to be groundbreaking. It just needs to solve a small, specific problem for people who already feel that pain. Start simple, build fast. Use AI and automation wherever you can. Remember Jake, he didn't have an audience, funding, or a team. Just an idea, consistency, and execution. Future details and tools mentioned are in the video description below. Make sure to check them. Out to start building your own micro SaaS journey today?